Hi, this is Helen. I thought I'd just do a quick video. Something that I have quite a passion about, and it's something I really struggled. Been online for many years. And with my different uplines I've had over the years, 30 plus years of networking, and never really been very successful at all until probably 18 months ago. Finally starting to have some success what I'm doing. And one of the reasons is that I use an autopilot software which actually helps me generate leads. So as for example, now I'm out walking, taking the dog for a walk. That software is actually running and generating leads. The other part of my business is what's by helping me have success is that I actually have sales training. Something I've never had. I've had uplines giving me scripts and say this is what you have to say. There's a bit more than just given a script and being told this is what you need to say. It's how do you deal when people say no, they don't have money, I've got to talk to my partner, timing's wrong, I've just had to do a car repair, can you call me back? Those are just a few of rebuttals that you get when we're talking to people. Do you know how to answer them? Because with the sales training that I'm doing, those are things we're taught. If you'd like some info, send me a message. Just send and say info. And let's have a one-on-one and see if I can help you to make you successful. Or, if you are already being successful, make you more successful. Or what's even better, not just yourself being successful, but it's a team that's under you can be successful as well. Because if they're struggling, it's because maybe there's something missing in their training. So let's get together and have a one-on-one.